Welcome to Micromatic, where precision seamlessly blends with innovation. We take great pride in our meticulous approach to engineering superior products that set new industry standards. Nestled in the heart of the USA, Micromatic is the driving force behind three industry-leading product brands: Rotac Hydroac Actuators, Rotac Tippers, and Micro Precision Automation Assembly Systems. Our unyielding commitment to quality is evident in each product, carefully crafted under our expansive facility. Utilizing cutting-edge 3D solid modeling and analysis technology, our engineers ensure a level of product fidelity that stands out from the competition. Our high-tech research and development lab is leveraged to consistently elevate product performance and durability. Let's delve into what products Micromatic offers. Rotac Hydroac Actuators. With over 75 years of industry-leading experience and 100% made in the USA, we produce standard and custom high-torque, rotary vane rotary actuators utilizing hydraulic and pneumatic pressure, featuring the highest torque in the smallest package. Our actuators are engineered to last and feature zero backlash, instantaneous response rates, limited internal wear with only one move-in part, ensuring smooth, silent, trouble-free operation. Rotac Tippers. Elevating the industry standards in waste collection for rear load and side load trucks. Rotac Tippers is the sole cart tipper manufacturer that engineers and produces the entire cart tipper lift iron and rotary actuator that are 100% made in the USA. Our Rotac Tippers deliver seamlessly integrated innovative solutions designed for reliability that delivers the most durable rear load cart tippers on the market while offering the most lifting capacity of any cart tipper available today. Micro Precision Automation. Automated assembly systems that are not just efficient, but tailored precisely to your needs. Our Micro Precision Automation systems bring together customized solutions with precision. Micro Precision is the industry benchmark for piston and rod assembly and has cascaded this exclusive skill into a diverse range of product assembly possibilities. Whether it's a hands-free lights-out factory you seek, a collaborative robot cell or precision manual stations, Micro Precision is ready to take your automation to a new level. Discover the Micromatic advantage at micromaticllc.com, where precision, innovation, and quality converge to redefine your expectations.